Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Great to be with you as always. So what's going on today? We are going to play a game, Race to Trace, but this time we're going to use the numbers 6 through 10 and then do some iReady. Okay, so let's get this party started. Okay, so one thing that you need are your dot cards. Okay, so you're going to need dot cards, Race to Trace. So Race to Trace looks like this. It has 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you want to take that out of your math packet. Okay, and then we are going to put it inside of your dry erase sleeve. Okay, so so you want to take this out of the math packet. All right, so just take it right out. And we're going to put it right inside of here so we can write on it and erase. Okay? So, like I've shown you, if it doesn't go in well, just slide your hand in like this. Okay? And so you have this ready to go. And you have your eraser and your dry erase marker. Okay, when you have that, then come on back and we'll talk about the dot cards. Okay? All right, so pause the video if you need to. All right, so the only other thing you need are your dot cards. You should have those already from last week or the week before. But in case you don't have them, I included them in the math packet. So you just need to cut them out one more time. Okay? So you can see that we only have, right, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, and 10s. Okay? So that means do I need a 4 dot card? Nope. So I'm going to put it to the side. Do I need a 1? Nope. Do I need what is that? How much is that? 3, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I need an 8, so I keep the 8. Do I need a 4? Nope. So what I want you to do, boys and girls, okay, is make 2 piles with your dot cards. One pile of cards that you don't need. So you don't need 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. But you do need 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so make 2 piles. And then we're going to put aside the 1 through 5 and keep the 6 through 10. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. And you do the same thing. And when you're done, come back to the video. All right, so how did you do? So this pile, right, this pile has all 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. So I'm going to put this aside. And this week, boys and girls, we're going to be focusing a lot more on the numbers 6 through 10. Okay, not just, but more on these, because you've done a lot more with 1 through 5. So for this game, we're just going to use these dot cards. So you might have a 6. You might have, how much is this? 3, 6, 7, 8. You might have one that looks like this. That's 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, so all the ones that are more than 5 are the ones that you want to have out. Okay, so once you have a pile of those, here comes the fun part. We get to shuffle them up. Whoa, where are you guys going? Okay, we're going to shuffle them up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay, and then we leave them face down so we can't see what they are. Okay? Okay, so you should have your dry erase marker and you should have your eraser, and let's play. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose one number that I think is going to win, that I'm going to trace the most. I'm going to say that I'm going to put a check here because I think 7 is going to win. Okay? Then I'm going to trace 7 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times before I trace any other number that 6 times. So I'll have all the 7s traced out. All right, so, oh, look at this. I already have a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So think about the song when you are tracing your numbers, okay? That song that you just watched, that was kind of fun, right? I know some of you have seen that before. Okay, so there's my 7. Next card. Let's see, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm going to trace my 9. All right? And you want to think about the words in the song to help you trace the numbers. Okay, so I'm not going to play the whole game, but I'll do a few more. And when you have traced one number all the way across, then you can erase it and play again if you'd like. Now, if you run out of cards, okay, just take all the cards that you have, okay, flip them over, shuffle again, okay, and then just keep playing, okay? So then I would just do that. I would flip this over. Oh, looks like I got a 6. So I know that was a 6 right away, right? Because I can subitize it. I just look at it. It looks like the 6 on dice. And so I'm going to go up to my 6, and I'm going to trace my 6. All right. So boys and girls, the real goal here is to give you more practice with your writing of numbers. Okay? So go slow. Take your time. All right, do a good job, be neat, follow the dotted line, okay? And on the next slide, I have a little video about you want to do your eye ready for about 10, 15 minutes. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow. Great to see you. Be good, be kind, be safe. Bye-bye.